And with some bitter disappointment, the first day of auditions came to an end.
I agree with what they said. It was real because I turned out to do it my own way.
I'm pretty low at the moment. I don't even know why I'm even here, but I feel so bad.
Nicholas had started the day full of confidence. But the 3 no's from the judges had certainly been a downer.
I'm not feeling too good though because I wasn't expecting a no from the judges. But man, there's nothing I could do. You just have to keep pushing.
Come here, stop it. They said the song was too big and I have a very small voice. I don't know what to say. I just want to go home.
I'm not feeling happy. I never expected this to happen.
I disagree with them totally because they wanted vibes on vibes and I'm not that type of person.
The vibes on day 2 were definitely taking a turn for the worse.